My name is Dr. Dhara Choksi. I'm the Managing Director for Global Nanotech as well as the founder. We are manufacturers of digital inks and dispersions from India. The company was started in 2015. We are originally from pigment background. We are manufacturers of pigment blue and green for various applications since 1984. 2015 we started Global Nanotech as a forward integrated company, and we have currently participated at ITMA Singapore. We are showcasing our DTF inks on the printer. It's a 6Z printer. We generally supply the inks, but for DTF we have a one-stop solution with the printer, the servicing, paper, powder, roll, everything. We also supply dye sublimation inks, and we are soon going to launch our pigment inks for Ricoh Gen 6 roll to roll.
That's great. That's great. And how is the pulse of ITMA Asia so far?
So we are not new to ITMA. We have done ITMA Milan in 2023. It was quite busy back then, and so has been the case for ITMA Singapore. So we are happy. We've had various responses. We had a lot of leads that were generated that were from Bangladesh, and we are very happy to know that. We're trying to work out a way where we can have more business and interactions with our new customers in Bangladesh. Also a lot of people from Sri Lanka and various other parts of the world. So overall it's been a great show.
Okay, I just want to know about Bangladesh market.
Yes.
When have you been entered there?
In Bangladesh market, we tried to sell our dye sublimation inks. Unfortunately, dispersions we cannot sell to Bangladesh because there aren't many ink manufacturers for digital inks. So we tried to sell our dye sublimation, but we had a lot of competition from the local manufacturers that have come from China.
Right.
So they have a manufacturing, so that is the reason they are able to overcome the 65% duty, which is there. But there are companies who have a duty-free advantage to them, and we are working very closely with them because the quality of our inks is very good. And within a few months, we will be starting in the Bangladesh market.
Okay, so you're having any plan to set up a small kind of plant or to make the dilution?
As of now, it is difficult to set up because we are all coming from a technical background. So I need to have my presence over there. But because we are doing so much of marketing, it's next to impossible to have another manufacturing unit. But in the future, we would love to work closely with somebody who would be able to set up the plant for us, and maybe we can give our technology to them and grow from there.
And where is your plant located in India?
In Ahmedabad, in Gujarat.
So it's Gujarat-based.
Yes, it's a Gujarat-based company.
Right. Thank you so much for being with us, and hope to see you again in maybe some other show.
Hopefully in Bangladesh in the next show we would like to participate.
Okay. So which show? There will be DTG in February, and there will be GTB in January, and there are many shows.
I know, so we are just contemplating which one to go for, which is going to be the biggest show of the year, 2026.
Okay.
And we will make sure that we have our booth there.
Thank you. See you there again.
See you there.